Hi, this is James Cash. I'm the wrench of the web dev team. So right now I'm just going to show you a short little tutorial on using one of the coolest features in Git, which is the interactive add. So to show you how this works, let's start off with a project here. So I'm in a Git repo now. You can see I'm on the master branch. Everything's clean. This is actually this career fair site, which will be coming up in January, so mark your calendars. January 15th is the Your Next Career Fair. Okay, so it's clean, so now let's make some changes. I'm going to go over to my editor here. We've got these ugly double blank lines. I want to get rid of some of those. And then I also want to make another change here. I want to increase the font size in these tables. So let's take that from a 1em to 1.1em. And as a side note, if you're using Git a lot, it's probably worth finding a way to integrate it into your editor. I use Emacs. And there's this really nice mode called Magit, not the ins or the bug, MAGIT. That I can just hit the status in my editor, tab in, see the changes. But right now I want to show you a demo, so I'm going to switch over to the terminal. So now again we do a git status. Okay, we can see this change has been made. So we're going to copy that. Okay, so we can see these are the changes. Note that these are really two separate logical change sets. We have the changing the font size and removing these blank lines. And if we want to be neat about this, we don't really want these to be in the same commit because they're doing different things. You can see how this would scale up if, for example, you're adding a new feature to some code, adding a feature in the processor there, you find a bug somewhere else. You want to fix the bug, but you don't want to have kind of two comments there, one comment saying this is just a bug fix, but there's also a bunch of other stuff that's still in flux. You want to just be able to add these things separately. So to do this, what you're going to do is say git add -- interactive and then the file name. Give this little prompt. So okay, we're going to select patch. I'm going to patch that view. Okay, and now we can break it down to hunks. So okay, so we want this hunk, the table, changing the size. So yes, we want to stage that, but we don't want to stage this one right now. Okay, and so now we're done with that. So now when we do a git status again, we can see this. We've got this change to be modified. That same file. And then we've also got that same file changed but not updated. Now we can say git comment -m changing the font sizes in tables. Made that comment. Now we can do status again, and now we can see we just have that changing the blank lines. Now we can do git add that file, git comment -m moving blank lines. There. Everything's blank again. And so, and also you can see your Git will tell me that the master branch, which is actually a Heroku repo, I'm ahead of it by 2 commits. So I've made 2 changes that aren't up there. So I hope you enjoyed this. I think this is, in my mind, one of the coolest features in Git, that it really annoys me that other version control systems don't have, because it's amazingly useful. So I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully I'll be making more soon. Bye.